Welcome back to Theme Park Wizard. We are here for a quick Universal update, really mainly a Fast and Furious update because there's been a lot of progress the past couple days. So I moved up my next update earlier. I was going to come back next week, but too much has happened. I could not do an update on it. So let's go check on Horror Nights and Fast and Furious right now. Over here at Monstros 2, they got some more, Cena came in and got some more, they weathered the building and they got some vines and creepy like branches and vines out. So it looks pretty good. It's definitely on the finishing touches. Again, this house was great last year, the prequel, the first one, so can't wait for the sequel. So we made it to the Overlook and I want to prepare you for what you're about to see. This is some of the most incredible stuff I've ever seen. This is really cool. So get ready. We're gonna start off with the up top with the station, then we'll go to the main part, the main course, which if you've seen the thumbnail for this video, you already know what it looks like, but it looks like the video does not do it justice. This is like, these are massive supports. I can't wait. So here is the top, and you can see, I believe that is for that station. They took off the catwalks, by the way, and I believe they took them off to maybe paint them and bring them back. That's what I'm guessing. I have no idea though. But right there is the station, or the Steel Erection 4, the station. It's gonna be a massive building. It's gonna be at least 2 stories, but the ceiling height will probably be at least 3 stories because they gotta have coaster clearances and there'll be theming there, and just be like a big warehouse. That's what at least the renderings, the concept art at the Universal posted on the community website. It'll be just a big warehouse like what we see now with Fast and Furious and the studio tour, but these are still, it's pretty tall. I mean, again, for most of this stuff, the video just does not do it justice, but hopefully you'll get that sense of scale from the video, but in person, it's just like so much bigger. So yeah, just imagine this, but like, even, if you can imagine it even bigger. Sorry, there's something flew on me. But yeah, looks great. But look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna send it, I'll just do about a 10-second clip, like a moment of silence. Well, instead of a moment of silence, it will be a moment of awe. So I'm gonna do another clip here, 10 seconds of just showing you, just so you cannot hear my voice and just look at it. Look at these for yourselves. This is incredible. Then we'll go back and talk about it in a second. I hope you enjoyed that 10 seconds. I really hope you took time, played that in slow mode, and really took a look at the scaling things, especially this one. Yeah. Again, they look large on camera, I'm sure, but in person, this thing is massive. This particular one, all of them, but this particular one is massive. Wow! You can see the turnaround right here. These really quick turnarounds coming in. Let's believe this is coming out of that. Think of a stall, or maybe it's some inversion. It's coming out. This is when you come over to that section where we turn the turnaround. This is that launch section. I think this is the one that gets you the 73 miles per hour. Or yeah, I think it's the one coming up. Or no, it could be the one coming down. Because yeah, we'll have to see. But it's one of these this is definitely a launch section, aka mid-course brake run. And this right here is another turnaround, but I think this leads right into a corkscrew or some sort of inversion, because you can see how it bends, and then there's the taller support right there. Looks absolutely incredible. And let's try to zoom in and see what else we can see, because there are some supports in the back over there. So really zoomed in there, and yeah, you can tell by those areas you see me pointing in those clips and trying to show you that the arrows there are showing the track direction. So you're telling you it's going that way, and you can tell by that arrow it's going into an inversion, and you can tell there's an arrow on the other side as well. So that confirms this is the turnaround. That the foreground supports, the ones closest to me in the camera, are the ones when you come out. You'll be zooming at 73 miles per hour, and you'll be coming over and going over the escalator that's the final, basically the final launch section. So that means that mid-course brake run and that additional launch section will probably be the one that gets you to maybe 50 miles per hour, because it'll be launching like there's like 4 launches here, and it'll be going about like 20 miles per hour each time. There's some booster launches as well. So that's the middle section that'll launch you to get you over to the turnaround, and then the other launch, what I suspected will be, we can't see it yet, it's not built, but it'll be kind of below us, and it will take you all the way up. Let me show you guys. Yeah, so that 73 mile per hour launch will take you all the way up here into another inversion, over the escalators, and then back over to the station here. So, and you can tell because there's that arrow again that shows you this is where that track is going, which is pretty cool. Wow, this is super cool stuff. I'm definitely have to come back faster than a week if I put up more stuff, because I like seeing that. I like seeing the arrows, and because I didn't see that with the Wonder Woman, you know. Because with Wonder Woman at Six Flags, when we were covering that project, we were level with it. We weren't, you know, over it. Like here, we're like over it. Thank goodness the Universal's built on a hill. It's one of the advantages for covering this stuff. Not only do you get great views like these, but you know, you get these super cool, like overhead, looks like a mini bioreconstruct, where we're like a helicopter and we're looking down onto these support structures. Yeah, show you the arrows and track layout starting to form out. This is pretty super cool right here. Let's go ahead and see what's going on over on the other side in the platform, because that other support is really big, and that's right next to the stairs, so I can't wait to see if they filled that one in yet. But God, I just cannot stop looking at this. This is very, very cool. And they're still working on the station as we speak. They're working on those steel for the station. That should crawl over here, and they'll probably, no wonder they didn't complete this track yet. Probably building the station first, and they're gonna put the track supports are gonna be attached to the station up there. See where that steel beam is? That's probably where the supports for these tracks gonna be, and then they'll just connect it that way, is what I'm guessing. Here's a close look at that section of the station of the steel is starting to rise. This is from the Springfield entrance here. That looks taller on the other side. That's because the track is already so tall, so it doesn't look as tall here. But yeah, here's a close look, and this will probably extend all the way over to the other side, and obviously cover this part of the track as well. So the official station work should be over here, and then the launch track is over there. Excited to see this start moving. By the way, I have a buddy who was I talked to on the way in. He works at the main entrance, just like a greeter over there. And yeah, so talked to a security, or they talked to a security, their security friend, and they once again reaffirmed what I've been saying here, and what others have been saying, is that the security team is planning to move to the parking garages. They just said move, but the room was parking garages, when the hotel begins construction, and that's what they said today as well. So that's good. Again, the reaffirms, they're aware of it, and don't know when the hotel is going to start construction. So it's a bit of a non-update, but it's more like a reaffirmation of what we've been saying. So that's pretty cool. It's nice to hear it again from someone else's ears, from the security team themselves. So that's a little update on that situation. Hopefully soon, because that security needs to move, because this is just a hassle. There you go. Yeah, lifting another piece of steel there. Lift another piece of steel right there. Look at that.
Hello.
Look at that piece up. They're gonna lift it and attach it right over to the station structure. 2 pieces of steel on there. Look at that. It's gonna bringing it down. The construction worker down there is now behind the launch track. Can't see it. Oh, he grabbed it though. Super cool. I love to come on days when they're working. That's why I try to come. If I can't come during the week, which I usually can't, try to come on Saturday mornings, because they will work on Saturday mornings, just not Sundays. So that's why you usually see me on Disneyland on Sundays. So less traffic, but also you can see much more of the work here than you can like at the Disneyland projects. So I'd rather come to see them work here than go to Disneyland on Saturday and see them work. So then not too much happening on this side. Okay. All the work is happening over there. And that's because this side though is ready to go. They're ready to go with more massive supports. These three are going to be for the scream shield, that glass shield. It'll look like this to hide the screams. These guys will be for the coaster themselves, but nevertheless, these supports will be massive because they got to be able to hold up this, but a curved portion of that for the roller coaster. So that'd be pretty exciting to see that happen because this is pretty close too, but the other supports are very close. Let's go check on those. Yeah, look at that. Look how close that is. Once again, I said every video, look how close it is to the staircase. That's incredible. I mean, you can, especially because wide is, someone with long arms maybe just be able to touch that. I wonder if they'll put up some protection because that's crazy. That's like insane. That's like, well, some of the supports on top too, you can touch those too. When you go up Magic Mountain, when you go up towards Twisted Colossus, that area. Or sorry. No, not, what's it called? West Coast Racers. When you go up that way, the rapids and stuff, you can see Tatsu sports, you can touch them. Wonder if that would be the case over here. There's some old steel, it looks like. Getting ready to rip that out. They ripped out some other portions of old steel here. We got all these supports, or all these foundations are ready to go for supports like we saw, like see over there. These are the next set they'll probably be building on. They're working on these, and concrete curing is on right there as well, so that would be pretty cool. There's that steel structure. They lifted those two pieces into place. There's the fountain. There's the little shape of the warehouse. You can see it right now. That's pretty cool. Once again, the floor of the station, that's the floor, or the bottom of it. There'll be queue under that, I believe, due to the permits we filed that were geotechnical permits that showed the queue layout. There'll be extended queue out here, but portions of the queue will be under here, so that'd be like a ceiling. This would be a two-story structure. That would be a ceiling for the queue, and then coaster will be coming in there. That would be the maintenance bay, so you'll be loading over there, but this bottom portion will be queue, lockers, and all that good stuff that we saw in those permits. Back to the supports. That looks fantastic. Super, super cool. Again, so when I was talking about that launch, that 17-mile-per-hour launch, it's going to go in that section right there. See that, one of those two flat sections? This is going to use that flat section to kind of boost into the turnaround inversion and do the 73-mile-per-hour launch right there to boost into those supports that we saw that were curving and pointing this way. And they'll be coming over the escalator and into the maintenance bay there. The dead exposure facade, I think it's just about complete. I mean, they did add some chain fencing there, but other than that, I think it's just about done. Maybe some more minor details that we can't see, but it looks pretty good so far. Again, I'm really excited for this house. I hear it's very good in Orlando. That, we're heading back through CityWalk to the ET parking structure. Very exciting up to that was really cool. Oh, I saw the pictures online, but actually they added more supports from what I saw like yesterday or a couple days ago. But even just like I said, these pictures don't do it justice. Yeah, in person, it's just mind blowing. That's super cool in person. That's incredible. Over at the former Chicken and Francesca site, so where the rumored Hello Kitty Cafe will be going, but not too many changes from the exterior. They did black out the windows. I think looks like they did at Francesca's, but the lights are still on there. And the sign for Chick Chicken and the awning is still up. But yeah, we should hopefully see work on this progress quite nicely for an opening later on this year. Probably towards the end of the year, because we're already midway through it. So that's your latest theme park update. Stay tuned and follow for more updates in the future.